Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by removing what Instagram already remembers. Open the app, go to Profile, then Settings. Once in Security or Your Activity, find Search History, tap Clear All to wipe stored queries. If you prefer selective removal, tap the X beside any suggested term. That removes it from suggestions instantly. Do this now so old searches stop influencing suggested accounts. Make sure to confirm prompts when asked, otherwise data stays in the cache. Once done clearing history, prevent new entries from appearing. Go to Settings and disable similar account suggestions when you see the option. This reduces proactive recommendations. Next, disconnect link services, unlink Facebook and disable contact syncing so Instagram can't suggest people from those sources. Also remove any saved searches and clear the app cache from your phone settings. That forces Instagram to rebuild suggestions from scratch. Doing these steps together cuts both data input and local memory, lowering future search visibility. To complete the process, log out and uninstall the app, then restart your device. Reinstalling forces a fresh session with cleared local data. After logging back in, review account settings and revoke permissions for apps and services you don't trust, and remove any connected apps under security apps and websites. If search suggestions still appear, clear the app cache again, update to the latest version, or contact Instagram support. Troubleshooting tip: if suggestions persist, log out on all devices and change your password to reset server-side caches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.